Here's a Bear Bull Trader's disclaimer. As always, we recommend that you seek professional advice before determining whether trading is right for you. Holding yourself accountable starts with self-discipline. It's the ability to control one's feelings and overcome your weaknesses. The ability to pursue what one thinks is right despite your temptations to abandon it. So when we talk about this in trading, this is not only something that you need to have, but it is an absolute must. Without it, you are most likely going to fail. And that is because you need to have the ability to go against what your mind and your emotions are telling you. In trading, you're doing something that is fundamentally unnatural to the human mind. Over the course of human history, we have evolved into an aspect where we have this concept of fight or flight. When we are faced with uncertain situations, our emotional brain takes over and it either chooses to fight the situation that's going on or it chooses to run from that situation. And that situation is uncertainty. And as soon as you put on a trade, you're entering into an uncertain moment. So your emotions are going to immediately tell you to exit the trade, get out of the trade, you're in a bad trade. You have to have the self-discipline to be able to recognize those emotions, understand that they're there, but choose not to listen to them and instead focus back in on the things that will make you successful in trading. Trading's going to expose your weaknesses. It's going to be something that may be very uncomfortable for some of us, myself included. It exposed the weakness that I always have to be right. And having to fix that is something that is very difficult. But you're gonna have to do that throughout your trading career. The thing is, if you try to do this by going at it alone, it is going to be extremely difficult for you to do that. The nice thing about being a part of a community is you have other traders that have gone through what you are looking to go through, or you have traders that you can meet up with that are going through the exact same thing that you are doing. That is the benefit of having a trading community. There are some ways that you can hold yourself accountable. We have traders that share their trades on Twitter, do video recaps on YouTube. You also have LinkedIn that's out there that I know that traders are on and expressing different things. So there's the social media out there that kind of helps you keep accountable. The other thing that you can do, though, is you can work with other traders within the community. Once we have meetups where you can meet other traders that are new in the business or have been trading as long as you. You can develop support networks so that you can work together as a team. You can communicate via those social media type websites, Twitter, YouTube, or you can create your own WhatsApp chat and discuss your trades and share your trades through there. You can also just join the chat room and be in the chat and talk amongst the other members that are in the chat room. But having that very small group allows you to build the trust, and it helps with motivation and inspiring you. And it eventually will help you achieve the success that you're looking for. And then there's another one. If you've been doing it a while, you've figured out what your trading trade book edge is, and you know somebody that trades that same strategy, you can look for mentoring opportunities, right? That mentor can help you develop the goals that are realistic, time relevant, or specific to your strategy. They can help coach you along. They can give you guidance, show you other training opportunities that are out there. For me, when I had a mentor, it was the motivation that was super, super important to me, along with the support that they provided, just reassured me that I was doing what's wrong, or not doing what's wrong, but doing what was right. And then the knowledge that they go out there. And both coaching and mentoring, but also just having a network of peers that can really help you achieve that success. Holding yourself accountable is something that's very difficult. You're going to sometimes fail at that, and having those peers and those mentors to say it's okay, we've been through it as well, can really help in building your confidence back up. If at any point you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me at mike@bearbulltraders.com. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have.